This is T232 Computer System. Which of the following is an appropriate explanation of various types of language processors? A. An assembler converts a source program that is written for a particular processor into a source program for another processor. B. An interpreter is a microprogram that decodes and executes a program written for another computer. C. A translator executes a program written in a high-level language while interpreting it on a per-line basis. D. A generator creates a program as appropriate for the purpose of processing by specifying the necessary conditions, such as input, process, and output as parameter. Let's have a look at a couple of definitions that we should know to understand and solve this question. So a language processor is a collective term for software that translates programs that are written in a programming language other than machine language into machine language, or an intermediate language, a language in between machine language and a high-level language. It performs processing concerning programs, such as translating the source program coded into a programming language and creating an executable program. Finally, a generator is software that creates a program as appropriate for the purpose of processing by specifying the necessary conditions such as input, process, and output as parameters. Among well-known generators, RPG, Report Program Generator, is popular. In recent years, products that generate HTML from created GUI images and those that generate a source program from a structured chart have appeared, and these can also be classified as generators. Therefore, D is our correct answer in this case. So let's have a look at the explanation of the other options. An assembler is a software for creating a machine language program by translating the source program written in a programming language, or assembler, with a one-to-one correspondence to machine language. The software that converts a source program into a source program for another processor is called a converter. B. An interpreter is a software that executes a program written in a high-level language while interpreting it on a per-line basis, as described in C. The description, a microprogram that decodes and executes the program intended for another computer, indicates an emulator. Furthermore, a microprogram is a program installed in a CPU that processes complex machine language instructions like software. Finally, C, a translator, is a software that converts a source program written in a high-level language into a source program into another high-level language. And here we can see that our answer is D. In this video, what we've learnt is how we can translate programs in between different CPUs, computers, and programming languages, and some of the methods that we have for doing such.